Billboards, vinyl, PVC, chemicals, paint, metal. All materials that are estimated to take 200 plus years to decompose, making them at best a visual pollutant and at worst a major environmental hazard. Enter Toyota Prius. The eco-conscious car that changed the way we drove has now changed the way we advertise. At each billboard site, we look to see what material naturally occurred in that environment. Where we found grass, we got weavers to weave it. Where we found sand, we got sand artists to carve it. Where we found mud, we got sculptors to mould it. All to create the billboards that came from nature. And went back to nature. Our 100% environmentally friendly message was seen and spread. And in a landscape cluttered with billboards, we made Toyota Prius stand out by fitting in. But most importantly, we left things exactly as we found them.